Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on your Hyundai Elantra. Keeping your windshield clear is crucial for safe driving, and worn-out blades can significantly reduce visibility. This guide will help you perform this essential maintenance task quickly and efficiently, ensuring you have optimal vision in any weather. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home with just a few simple steps. Before you begin, gather your new wiper blades. It's always best to replace both blades at the same time for consistent performance. You can find the correct blade lengths in your vehicle's owner's manual or by measuring your existing blades. Also, grab a soft towel or cloth to place on your windshield. This will protect it if the wiper arm accidentally springs back down during the process. To remove the old blades, first, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small retaining clip. Depending on your specific model, you'll either press or lift this clip. Once released, slide the old blade down and off the J-hook on the wiper arm. Remember to carefully lower the arm back onto your protective towel to prevent any damage to your windshield. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Double-check that the retaining clip is fully engaged. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your windshield effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.